news. Dahil Kuya Bert ulis yung police station yung si Sir. Okay. Once upon a time, na bibili ng kuya ng yung tricycle ng yung taho. Ano tinatawagin? Hindi ni tinatawagin yung taho. Breaking news ko. Okay. Hindi mabibili ng taho na yan. Okay. May breaking news niyan. Okay. May breaking news. Nahuhuli ng eto. Nahuli ng yung police car yung cell. Yung nakita yung police car yung ni Kuya Bert. Sabi ni Messenger Marlin Uses, Ate, nasa police station si Kuya Bert. Ay, hanit na yan. Yan number ma'am yung breaking news. Yung bye-bye. See you part 2 yung story time ng Kuya Bert, yung Kuya Bert ng police station ng Sir. Bye-bye guys.